So out here without fear. Yeah. Fully ready guys, fully ready. My beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Yeah. So sunny and beautiful. Summer is actually start for me now. Time for me to show out some great content. Okay guys. Yeah. Let's check on the back today. Yeah. I got sliced fish. So we're gonna put these things together right now. Create some delicious, yummy meal. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to catch up the fire with this bag of coal that I bought at the market. Yeah. So now light up this cooler now. Up. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, try and get this fire light up now. After the bag of coal, so I'm going to light up this paper with it. Catch me a light up the fire. Dry coconut. Look at that, guys. Like that. Alright, man, get my pot put on it now. The fire almost catch ready. Alright, so I got some coconut. Blend it out to get some milk out of it. Want some fish in coconut milk with some rice in coconut milk. Start out to blend up, guys. Look at that now. Fully blend up. Thick. Yeah, look on the cream. See that? Real coconut cream that, guys. So I'm gonna get it strained off now on this. Fire ready, guys. Yeah, guys, look at that now. Fully juice out. Yeah. So we got some coconut milk here. Beautiful. Yeah, this one is for the fish. Gonna simmer it down. Coconut milk sauce for the fish. So I'm gonna get the rice pot on the fire now, guys. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Get the cover on it. Yeah, okay, guys. Stay tuned. Gonna be a banger. Yeah, no joke. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Like up the video. Subscribe to the channel. A journey to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, guys. All you YouTubers out there, feel free to collab with this little YouTuber. Big up all of my Jamaican bloggers them. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, guys, me actually have to take off the pot off of the fire and rest on the stove. The pot start to boil up, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna cut up the seasoning in it. Using. Yeah, okay, guys. Alright, everything fully cut up now. I'll get this in a pot now. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Time to get the rice in the pot now. Yeah. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Pot cover on that now. Make it start to boil up. Okay, stay tuned. So meantime the rice in the back gonna cook. Alright, I have some fish right here, some sliced fish. I'm gonna get it scaled up now and ready to start to fry it up with some coconut sauce. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be so yummy. People, tell a friend for tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for fried fish coming up. Can you smell that? Yeah. Check it out. Rice actually finished cook, my people. Look at that. Yeah, man. So we'll get this rice here for the fire now. We'll start to fry the fish now. Some more coal in the fire. Stay tuned for that, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend. For the fire now, look at that. Yeah, yummy delicious, guys. Like up the video, guys, and leave a comment, okay? Yeah, man, get some more coal in the fire now. Let it blaze up back, okay, guys? Yeah, man, I'll catch it up back. So we can start fry the fish then. So now I'm gonna get the frying pot on the fire. Get some oil in the pot now. Yeah, fire blaze. Ready that. Alright, that can fry 2 slices of fish. Chop piece of garlic in it now. That is it. Okay, guys, right here, so Got some fish here. Ready for flowers. Yeah. Alright, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Now man, I get one slice in my pot now. Yeah, I'll start to hot, guys. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, started to fry down. Yeah, my people, them fire, the real fire, coal fire, huh? One bag of coal still left, my people. Real beautiful fire this here, people. Make food so nice when I cook on this fire. Yeah, can you smell that? Smells so delicious. Yeah, look at that. Fry down, guys. As soon as that side fry, golden brown, I'm gonna turn it. Yeah, my people, can you smell that? Check it out. That time now, get a little flip. Beautiful, so yummy. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. The chef in the building. Need the chef to come and cook for you. Please reach out, okay? Yeah, look at it, guys. Beautiful. Fish fully fry up now. Man, I have to take it off, my people, and rest it on the stove. Yeah, guys, look at that. You have a look at this. Yeah, I get them seasoning fry up. Yeah, my beautiful people, plantain start to fry it up now. 3 slices of plantain fry up, my people, for eat with the fish and the rice. It's gonna be so yummy, delicious. Comment if you want me to cook for you, okay? Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. So out here without fear. I'll give them a little flip now, guys. Just flip them, look at that. Plantain finish fry now. Yeah, pour some more fresh oil in it now. This is for the coconut sauce. Come on, guys, I make that sauce. Yeah, guys, full saute now. Add a little curry powder. As soon as it burn enough, we just add the coconut milk. Can you smell that? Smells delicious. I wish you were here to smell this curry aroma coming up. Everything will get sauteed. Time for adding the coconut milk now. Yeah, guys, man, I get some of my favorite cock mix in this coconut sauce. It's gonna be so yummy, delicious. Go and simmer down for about 10 minutes. Stay tuned for that. Time to get this fish in the sauce, you know. Get this fish in the sauce right now. It's gonna be yummy. Yummy, guys. I get this pot off of the fire now and start to share and start to eat. I'm so hungry. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Guys, time to get this pot off of the fire now. Yeah. Fully ready, guys. Fully ready. It's that time and now. This is the finishing product. But this is the fish right there. We got the ripe plantain right there. We got some pumpkin rice and coconut milk. Get me a feast on this now. Yummy, delicious. Let's have a little taste. Check it out. This is the fish right here. The sauce right there. Sauce here, guys. So yummy, delicious. One plate here. So guys, I got you and finish mash up this. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Journey to 1,000 subs. Peace until next time.